Hi guys, welcome back with me again in this channel. On today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can modify permissions on Google Forms. So in here I have this, I've already created a Google form, this one, and I want to add let's say a collaborator that can also edit this form. So I need to allow a permission so that they can edit this form. So what you need to do, if you want to do the same, just click on the three dots icon at the top of the form to go click on more in here and tap on the add collaborators. Okay, so as you guys can see here that the current status is that only me that have access into the file. So what you need to do to add permission or modify the permissions, you can just add the people first. For example, I'm going to add this person. You can choose to notify them or not, and here so that they can edit or they have permissions to edit, you need to change their role into editor, and after that you can click on send. Let's see again. Okay, so as you guys can see here, now this person has already been as the editor set by me. You can also change the general access to anyone with the link if you want to, and you can click on done after that. And that's all from me. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Also click on